Hi and welcome back to my channel. I have two remote AI training jobs for you. These are 100% remote jobs, hiring worldwide. This is not a type of AI training job that does not allow you to sign up from Nigeria or Africa. This is a 100% remote job that is hiring worldwide, no location specific. So wherever you are, you can actually submit your CV for this one. The first one is vocal audio specialist, and the second one is AI research engineer. So if you're interested, watch till the end, like, comment and share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's go there. So the first one we're looking at is this one here called vocal audio specialist. It's a freelance AI trainer project, hiring worldwide, 100% remote. For the project overview, they are sourcing independent vocal audio specialists to provide their expertise for an AI audio module training project. As AI models increasingly generate and interpret human musicality and vocal nuances, their accuracy relies entirely on robust, high-fidelity training data. The objective of this project is to autonomously record clean, professional-grade audio detailing human vocal pitch changes by performing consistent, highly controlled humming exercises. Project deliverables and scope: operate autonomously to generate precise audio assets and structured training data. Expected deliverables include vocal recordings. So these are what you're going to be doing on this project. Vocal recording and pitch execution. We're going to record clean pitch stable humming takes with dynamic control. Example, humming softly without disappearing or louder without distorting, while strictly following tonal prompts. Example, hum a major third, stay in key. So if you're a musician, if you're a choir mistress or choir master, this is for you. Rhythmic and melodic consistency, demonstrating a solid internal metronome to follow beats and executing highly repeatable tasks such as humming the exact same melody multiple times with minimal variations. Audio engineering and quality control, applying professional recording competence, including proper mic proximity, gain input controls, and gain staging to ensure distortion-free, high-fidelity audio capture within a controlled environment. Strict instruction adherence, accurately executing highly specific vocal directions, example, flat tone, no vibrato, to generate clean, reliable, and standardized data for model training. For required expertise, to successfully fulfill the deliverables for this project, contractors must possess strong musical literacy paired with reliable home recording capabilities. Core skills: you'll be able to demonstrate musical literacy and performance history. Demonstrable musical literacy and performance history, example, choir, bands, a cappella, live gigs, audio engineering, or music production, with a calm, controlled voice and a highly trained ear for pitch stability. Hands-on experience in voiceover work, studio recording, or prior AI audio training projects. Candidates completely new to recording workflows will not meet the quality threshold for this project. To be able to land this job, you need to have these assets. First one is you must possess a controlled, quiet home recording environment capable of capturing clean audio, free from background noise, clipping, or room echo. And for the pay, they offer a pay range of $6 to $65 per hour, with the exact rate determined after evaluating your experience, expertise, and geographic location. Final offer amounts may vary from the pay range listed above. As a contractor, you will supply a secure computer, professional recording equipment, and high-speed internet. Company-sponsored benefits such as health insurance and PTO do not apply. So this is a freelance independent contractor position, which means you need to have your own laptop. They will not provide a laptop for you. It is remote, worldwide. Anywhere you are, you can apply. And this is the application form here. Select your country, CV, education, and other details, and just apply. I see your comments telling me that you don't have CVs, you don't have cover letters. Why are you telling me? Why are you telling me all that? Get yourself a CV, get yourself a cover letter, because if you're looking for remote jobs, be it AI training or other type of remote jobs, your CV must be handy. Anytime you see a job update, throw in your CV. Submit your CV to that job. It doesn't matter. Whether you qualify or not, throw it in there. The second one is AI research engineer, agentic post training, 100% remote worldwide. I'm doing this because you guys are struggling. You guys in Africa are struggling to get even the tiniest remote job. Yeah, you're struggling. So I'm sharing all this. Even my second channel, I started sharing about remote jobs as well, hiring worldwide. You better go and join that channel called The Work From Home. The Work From Home. So this one is AI research engineer hiring worldwide. For job description, join them. It's from this company called Tether. They are not just building products, they are pioneering a global financial resolution. Their cutting edge solutions empower businesses from exchange and wallets to payment processors and ATMs to seamlessly integrate reserve backed tokens across blockchains. I'm just going to run through this one. Links will be in the description as well for anyone interested in applying. The reason you need to join this one is because their team is a global talent powerhouse working remotely from every corner of the world. You're passionate about making a mark in the fintech space. This is your opportunity to collaborate with some of the biggest minds, pushing boundaries and setting new standards. They've grown fast, stayed lean, and secured their place as a leader in the industry. About the job. As a member of the AI model team, you will drive innovation in post-training methodologies with a special focus on agentic behavior and tool use. Your work will refine pre-trained models so that they do not deliver enhanced intelligence and domain-specific capabilities, but also learn to reason, plan, and autonomously invoke external tools to solve real-world multi-step tasks and actions and applications on edge devices. You work on a wide spectrum of systems ranging from streamlined resource-efficient agents that run an unlimited hardware to complex multimodal architecture integrating text, images, and audio all optimized for tool. Check your responsibilities. You conduct end-to-end research and engineering initiatives to advance post-training agentic and tool use models to achieve SOTAs. For job description, you need a degree in computer science, machine learning, or a related field. Important information for candidates. Recruitment scams have become increasingly common. To protect yourself, please keep the following in mind. Apply only through their official channels, which is here. Do not use third-party platforms or agencies for recruitment unless clearly stated. Be cautious of unusual communication method. They do not conduct interviews on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, or SMS. Double check email. All communications from them will come from emails ending at theta.co or at theta.io. They will never request payment or financial details. If someone asks for personal financial information or payment at any point during the hiring process, it's a scam. Please report it immediately. When in doubt, feel free to reach out through their official website here. Like I always say, before you apply to any job, even the ones I share on this channel, do your own research. Make sure that you're sure that this platform is legit before you apply. Do your research properly before you go and put in your financial details like your bank card and all of that. Be warned. Be warned. So this application form, go through it like this. Select your country, put your phone number, email, upload your CV, cover letter again. I told you guys, if you're looking for any type of remote job, there must be a CV. There must be a cover letter. So go through it like this and send in your CV to them if you're interested in this one. So these are the two I have for you guys today. Let me know what you think about them if you're interested. All right, if you're not, Share this video with anyone interested in this position: AI research engineer and vocal audio specialist, freelance AI trainer projects. I'm sure the person will thank you. The person will bless you for giving him or her an opportunity to apply for this job. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Let me know your thoughts. If you want more AI training jobs, if you want remote jobs, visit my other channel. If you're looking to relocate abroad in 2026, check my other channel as well, Delphin Travels and Jobs. Subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.